Thank you so much to Laurel Hawthorne Buchanan for nominating me for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I now nominate Sandy Wood and Neil McInnes. Charlotte?
Thank you, Bella Bishop, for nominating me for the Ice Bucket Challenge. I'm nominating my granddad, Granny, and Felix Bishop.
Lol.
I have the best daughter in the world. Thank you, Bella. I'm nominating Matthew Bishop and Graham Riley. You have 48 hours.